Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to show you guys this awesome place right outside the city limits of Las Vegas. It's called Mountain Spring Saloon. I did a video on this like 2 years ago. I'm going to show you guys that video after you guys see the new footage. Make sure to check out the footage after all of this new stuff that I'm going to show you that they've added to this place. Freaking place is awesome. They have a pig roast. This is like a biker bar, so it's known to be a biker bar. A lot of famous people come here, right? It is one of the most awesome places that you can come if you want to get away from Vegas, if you want to feel like you're up in the country, in nature, okay? So I'm going to show you guys the footage of this place I've been coming to for years. Not only a biker bar, they are kind and friendly to everybody. So this is the place behind me. You guys can see it is pretty packed today. I wanted to show you the new footage, the new things that they have going on. So let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video right now.
No, but it's solid.
Oh, you can't break it? You can't break it?
No. You could break it if I really pushed it hard. Well, they usually have a no.
And I'm right back to where I always been.
I'm Christina Marie. I am at the pig roast here at the Mountain Spring Saloon. It is in Las Vegas, Nevada, going towards the Pahrump. At the end of the month, they always have this pig roast. It is absolutely amazing. Some of the best barbecue that you can find here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some videos of this place. It is very unusual. It has like a Texas feel to it. For my Texas fans out there that love barbecue, you will love this place. It's outdoors. It's cooler than Las Vegas, and it's absolutely a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, push that thumbs up, the like button, and the subscribe button. This is who I am with, and everybody is playing, what is that, horseshoes right now. Are you ready to eat heaven?
Yes.
This is heaven.
That's a lot.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
No problem. While you're silverware and condiment.
Oh, thank you.
You're like $50.
Ahora sí, get ready to lose. Ya. Chances fueron suficientes.
About this so the other thing about the Mountain Spring Saloon is that they have another restaurant in the back here, which I'm gonna walk and show you guys this other restaurant, which is absolutely fabulous. So the Saloon usually doesn't carry food. They tell people to go to the back here and get their order or order their food. These people have food like every day of the week. The Saloon, on the other hand, actually just hosts the one event a month at the end of the month where it's called the Pig Roast. But let me kind of show you guys where I'm walking and what it looks like. The restaurant in the back, it's called Hot Bob's Barbecue. Absolutely amazing food. I mean, like the best barbecue I have tried since I lived in Texas. And this guy makes the absolute best burgers and pulled pork sandwich. Amazing.
Pork, smoked burgers, tri-tip, of course my ribs,
Oh yeah.
and I also have steak specials on occasion too.
And this is the menu. We walk back here. Yeah, beautiful. So at the entrance, when you walk in, they have this putt-putt golf that you can actually play miniature golf. If you guys are ever coming towards Pahrump or just want to get out of the city, that's actually kind of just 20 minutes down the street is the actual city of Las Vegas. You want to get to a place where it's like nice and serene, family friendly and fun. Don't let it intimidate you that it's a biker bar, because honestly, these are the most friendliest people you're going to come across, and everybody is so welcoming and they're just lovely. And the food is amazing, amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video, once again, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.
Are you guys still over there?
This is the view.
Beautiful.
Yep, I know. When you're leaving the saloon. To the Mountain Spring Saloon.
But the bar is the other way.
Oh, shit. Shoot, I lost my train of thought.
Pulled pork.
No, roast. Pig roast.
Yeah, pulled
Pig roast. Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am at the pig roast. Oh.